Hello friends, welcome to the final lesson of this free affiliate marketing tutorial, and it is also lesson 13. In this lesson we'll talk about keyword research. So basically what you need to do is you go to Uber Suggest. So this is a tool that you can use to research keyword for free. However, you can buy various paid keyword research tools. That's up to you, but I'll show you through this. Now another thing you need to do is open this google.com, and then let's say my product is anti-aging cream, and if I put it here and click on search, so let's wait. So okay, we need to sign in. You can sign in to Uber Suggest to keep on using. Just click on allow. And let's wait. So for this keyword, you can see the total number of search volume is 9,900. So if you click on here, you can see what this means. And the SEO difficulty is 46. So it would range from 1 to 100. As low as it is better. It is a better keyword. So paid difficulty is 100. That means it is extremely it has extremely high competition in paid paid ads like Google ads, Bing ads, and so on. So cost per click is $3.22. So in perspective of SEO, you can consider it as a medium competition keyword or high competition keyword. So you can see other variation of keyword here. You can see keyword ideas, the best anti-aging cream. It has a volume of this much, and SD means SEO difficulty. So as low it is, then it is very much good. So for our main sorry our main post, that is top 5 best anti-aging cream, our main keyword is this. So it would obviously have a high competition. And then after that we have other keywords like this review, right? So for this product you can simply click here and copy it, and then you can also use Google and put it here and see if there is any keyword. So you can see here Google is suggesting us a keyword, ROC multi correction reviews. So I can copy it and to see what type of competition this keyword have. So if it is a low competition keyword, then it would say here easy. As similar to here it is saying high, it would say here easy. So let me paste it and see. So this keyword has a search volume of 20, and search volume means people are searching 20 times, but these things are not exactly accurate, but it gives us a perspective. And this is SEO difficulty, and you can see more keyword ideas related to this. Now you can pick this keyword for this kind of review, specific product review. You can write a review about ROC multi correction review. Okay, and then after this we'll have helpful posts related to this product. If so, firstly we researched a keyword for our top 5 anti-aging cream, and anti-aging cream is itself our keyword. And then our next keyword would be multi-correction review, ROC multi-correction review. Such kind of keyword we'll be using in our review, that would be in our post. And then after that we'll have a helpful post. And to find helpful post that need to be low competition. So so our the name of our product is multi correction. Now you can come to here and give a space and write a, and see if there is anything that is related to helpful post, like what is multi correction, or how does multi correction helps skin to get better, or something like that. If there is anything like that, and you can also type b and see if there is any, and see you can do this up to z and find various keywords that seems to be helpful post that you can make in your silo structure or website structure. Okay, so I've talked about that in previous lesson. If you haven't watched, you can watch that. And what you can do is you can keep on searching. So let me see here, and if I type here w, so here if when I type w, so it says does ROC multi correction work. Now I can simply copy this keyword. So this can be a helpful post which people would love to read, right? So you can use this keyword, and you can also search it here and see the competition. So it says it has zero search volume, zero SEO difficulty, easy. So you can sometime write this kind of post which doesn't have any traffic, because it would not be just to attract the traffic, but to help the user who are coming to our website to see to read our article. So you can also write about does ROC rental correction eye cream work. You can write this post on this, and it has a 10 search volume, and SEO difficulty is 24. It is considered as easy. So here is another that you can add, does ROC retinol correction really work. You can write a post on this one. So after writing this, you can search for another keyword. So you can search for, like, let's say ingredient. This might be our another post, right? Or you can see if there is any other post that, sorry, so let's see I there you can see a keyword here, ROC multi correction ingredient. People may would like to read this kind of article. You can search do a keyword research here by pasting it here, and see how many search volume are there. So these search volume are not exactly accurate, but you can take an idea whether it is good to write on these kind of keywords or not. So basically you can just analyze that this kind of post people would definitely love to see if this post is in your website, right? Then they will spend more time, and you will get a SEO benefit with that, because people will be staying in your website for longer time. So the search volume is 10 and SEO difficulty is 18. It is easy, right? And you can write a post on this and do internal linking in the way that I have told you previously. So you can also search for keyword in various way from here also. So now we are doing A, B here, right? So now you can go in first and give a space and go back and write A and B and C. Similarly, you can research for helpful post keywords and search it in Ubersuggest, and then make helpful post articles and interlink it properly. So I have found some helpful posts that I have made here. So this P2 P3 is not important, it was just to make you understand in previous lesson, so you need to be clear about that. So guys, now we have completed, sorry, you have completed this full affiliate marketing tutorial, and if you are going to continue this each day, each week, then you'll definitely build a good affiliate marketing website that can help you to earn in short term and through paid ads, and in long term through free organic traffic. So now I'll make another playlist in my YouTube channel where I will recommend you various valuable resources to learn about affiliate marketing, and that includes several things like Google Analytics, Search Console, and email marketing, website tracking, and that thing. I would also recommend various authority channel through which you can also learn about these stuffs, and I will research it by myself and then only recommend you. So if you want to learn about email marketing, you can simply go to my recommended YouTube video or channel, and then you can read that and follow those steps, and you can also do email marketing from your website. So that is about latter stuffs, but firstly you can keep on watching from first if you haven't completed any steps, and complete each and every steps and keep going with this training. And then I would personally like to wish you a very best of luck for your bright future in affiliate marketing. I'll bring various videos that will be completely related to affiliate marketings and online online marketing stuff, and that would be extremely valuable for you if you want to learn more about these things. So I want to take a leave now, and best of luck for you. Thanks for watching my all tutorials. Bye.